Good morning, all of you.
Very good morning, ma'am.
Very good. How all are you?
Ma'am, fine.
Okay, very nice. Welcome to our today's English class discussion. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You must all remember the last two paragraphs which we have read in our last class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you remember all these things, then you just answer the following questions. So the first question is, what was the name of the fox?
Name of the fox, ma'am, Renard. Renard is the name of the fox.
Okay, very nice. Then the second question is, how did the fox use his cunning personality to flatter the raven? I am repeating the question, you just think and tell me the answer. How did the fox use his cunning personality to flatter the raven?
Ma'am, Renard, the name of the fox, has some cunning personality. He used the words handsome bird, sir raven, and
Okay.
told that if the raven bird will sing, the rest of the birds of the forest will call him the king of the forest.
Okay, very good. That means you remember all the text that we have discussed. Okay, let me tell what is the meaning of cunning. This word we have discussed in our last class.
Ma'am, cunning means clever.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. Let us go our today's discussion. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a new stanza for all of you. Listen carefully. First of all, I will read. Then after that, you will read with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you will listen. Okay. The raven who did not see the joke forgot that his voice was just a croak. He opened his beak in his foolish pride, and down fell the morsel the fox had eyed. Ha ha ha, laughed the fox, and now you know. Ignore sweet words that make you glow. Pride, my friend, is rather unwise. I am sure this teaching is quite a surprise. You listen it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you recite this sentence with me. Okay.
Okay.
The raven who did not see the joke
The raven who did not see the joke
forgot that his voice was just a croak.
forgot that his voice was just a croak.
He opened his beak in his foolish pride,
He opened his beak in his foolish pride,
and down fell the morsel the fox had eyed.
and down fell the morsel the fox had eyed.
Ha ha ha, laughed the fox, and now you know.
Ha ha, laughed the fox, and now you know.
Ignore sweet words that make you glow.
Ignore sweet words that make you glow.
Pride, my friend, is rather unwise.
Pride, my friend, is rather unwise.
I am sure this teaching is quite a surprise.
I am sure this teaching is quite a surprise.
Okay, very nice. You repeat it many more times at your home. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You just notice one thing. Here I am highlighting some words. You just remember it because based on these words, I will have some question in our discussion. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Let's go to our next discussion. Here is two stanza of our poem I have highlighted. The raven who did not see the joke forgot that his voice was just a croak. Here is, you can find one pair of rhyming words. Rhyming words, this thing also we have discussed in our previous class.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you find the rhyming pair in this stanza?
Ma'am, joke, croak.
Yes, correct. You are absolutely right. The rhyming pair is joke and croak. Have you heard the croak sound of any animal?
Yes, ma'am.
Then say me.
Frog sound. Kee,
Okay,
kee.
very nice, very nice. During the rainy season, the frog voice is like the croak sound, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then here is the one rhyming word. You just write down on your copy because this is very important. It will definitely come in your exam.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
joke and
Joke
croak.
and croak.
Yes.
I will write joke
Yes.
and croak. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Then next go to the our second discussion. He opened his beak in his foolish pride and down fell the morsel the fox had eyed. Okay. Before going detail in this sentence, look at the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
What you observe in this picture? You just think for a minute, then tell me what you observe in this picture.
Ma'am, Fox is sitting and telling something to the raven, and raven is thinking what to do.
Yes, yes,
And in his beak
yes,
there is a morsel.
yes, yes.
So he is thinking what to do.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. You are absolutely right. We have already discussed beak. Can you say me what is the meaning of beak?
Yes, big bird has a beak.
Okay. Different birds have
Different beaks.
different types of beak,
Beaks.
isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. The bird in his beak he holds a morsel.
Morsel.
Okay. So here in this stanza, I just want to summarize that the raven did not understand the flattering words of the fox and opened his beak in his foolish pride. Okay. Then you just guess what will happen in the next. Can you guess?
Ma'am, the morsel will fell down.
Yes, yes, you are right, right. The morsel will definitely fall down from the beak of the bird. Okay, okay. Here in this page, there is also another rhyming word pair. Can you guess it?
Ma'am, pride and hide.
Yes, you are right.
And the new word is foolish and morsel.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. You remember all these things. So write down once again. Another pair of rhyming word is here: pride and height. In previous slide we have discussed that is joke and crow.
Joke and crow.
Here pride and height.
Pride and hide.
And along with the new word is foolish and morsel. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. We will go to our next discussion. Here is 2 lines for you. Ha ha, laughed the fox, and now you know. Ignore sweet words that make you glow. You just read out the sentence.
Ha ha, laughed the fox, and now you know. Ignore sweet words that make you glow.
Okay. So here the poet told that pride, my friend, is rather unwise. Really, pride is very unwise. Okay. Here is also another pair of rhyming words. Can you identify the words?
Ma'am, no glow.
Very good. Correctly you have identified. So again write down this new pair of rhyming words. No and glow.
Yes, ma'am.
So till now how many pairs of rhyming words we have discussed?
Three pairs of words.
Very good.
Can I tell?
Yes, yes, yes.
Joke, croak, no, glow, pride, hide.
Very good, very good. Remember all these things. Okay. Then the next line is here. That is, pride, my friend, is rather unwise. I am sure this teaching is quite a surprise.
Ma'am, here is also a pairing word.
Yes, you have identified very right rhyming word.
Rhyming.
We can say this is rhyming word.
Rhyming.
What is this rhyming word?
Unwise, surprise.
Very good. Unwise and surprise. So the teaching of the poem or moral is very surprise, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Pride is very unwise.
Yes, yes. Pride is very
The
unwise.
poet told.
Yes. Then let us discuss the rhyming words in more detail, so that you will understand it in a better way. Okay.
Yes.
Here is a picture for you.
Ma'am, comedy show.
Very good. Can you relate the comedy show with this word joke?
Yes, ma'am. Funny words in the comedy show.
Yes, yes.
We heard.
Yes, that funny word make a very joke in the field of the audience, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So joke means what? Just read out the sentence what I have written here.
His joke made everyone laugh.
Very good. So joke means which makes the audience, the persons, a very funny environment, a very jolly environment, a very happy environment. That is the meaning of the joke. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then here is also another picture for you. Can you relate this picture with the word?
Ma'am, crow is sitting
Yes.
and opened his beak.
Yes.
Sound, hope it sounds. Ka,
Yes.
ka.
Yes. Yes. Every bird has a different types of sounds, isn't it?
Yes.
Different types of sounds, different types of beaks, and also different types of feathers. That we have already discussed, isn't it? So croak means the frog's loud croak broke the silence of the night. There is the frog sound is very loud. Generally, we came to heard this sound in the rainy season. So that sound is very loud, so that it will break the silence of the night, because night is very silent.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no such type of noise in the night. So this sound break the silence of the night.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Write down everything in your copy so that
Yes.
you will not forget this thing. Okay.
Yes.
Then next go to the next word. This is foolish. Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you relate the picture with the word?
Ma'am, the rat is dead.
Yes.
The man is holding the rat dead.
So what is the necessity to holding a dead rat? There is no necessity.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
means that man is definitely a foolish man. Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So the meaning of the foolish is what I have written. Just read out.
It was quite foolish of him to touch the dead rat.
Very good. That means foolish is which is not used to do. That is the meaning of the foolish. Okay.
Yes.
Here is another word, that is morsel. Can you see the picture?
Ma'am, chocolates.
Chocolates. Chocolate or pieces of chocolates?
Pieces of chocolates.
Very good. Very good.
Very tasty.
This picture is, you like chocolate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but
I like
don't eat more than one chocolate in a day, so that it will destroy your teeth. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this picture shows the pieces of the chocolates.
Yes.
So what is the meaning of morsel? Just read out.
The chocolate was broken into morsels.
Very good. That means the broken pieces is known as morsels. Okay.
Yes.
Everything you have to read as well as write on your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
so that you will remember it.
Yes.
So here in this picture we discussed two words, that is foolish and morsel. Foolish means it was quite foolish of him to touch the dead rat. Morsel, the chocolate was broken into
Morsels.
small pieces known as morsels. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next go to the next word, that is unwise. I have written unwise. Can you read out the sentence?
That would be an unwise decision.
Unwise means which is not acceptable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which is not acceptable by all. So that type of decision, that type of finalization, we can say this is unwise.
Yes.
Okay. Then the second one is the picture. What the picture is saying? Can
Ma'am,
you
this
guess?
is a birthday party.
Yes, absolutely correct. Then there is a surprise birthday party for you. That means surprise is quite unexpected,
Yes.
which gives us a happiness. That is surprise. Okay.
Yes.
So there is a surprise birthday party which gives a happiness to us. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So unwise, surprise, morsel.
Ma'am, can I write this sentence?
Yes, definitely. You should write all these things in your copy. Okay.
Yes.
Then we have discussed some few stanzas. Then from this stanza we have already discussed the so many rhyming words. Then after that we have discussed new words along with the meaning.
Yes,
now
ma'am.
this is the time to assess your knowledge. Okay.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means a very easy question I am giving you. Everything we have already discussed. So you just remember and based on our discussion you will give the answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us start our assessment session. Find the rhyming words of the following words. You just think for a second, then you will tell. Otherwise, you will tell the wrong answer. What are the words I have written here?
Ma'am, joke,
Then,
pride, no,
then,
unwise.
very good. Then just tell me one by one what is the rhyming words of joke?
Ma'am, joke, croak,
Very good. Then pride.
pride, eyed,
Very good. Then
no, glow,
very nice. Unwise.
unwise. Ma'am, surprise.
Very good. You remember all the words. Let me check whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay. Joke. You have told one word croak. Just see there is also another two words here which are the rhyming words for the joke. Just read out.
Ma'am, soak, croak, broke.
Very good. So the rhyming words of joke are soak, croak and broke. Very good. Then what other rhyming words for the word no?
Ma'am, blow, crow, glow.
You have told one word that is glow. There
Yes.
are also another two words that is blow and crow.
Yes, ma'am.
You will remember all these words. Okay. Then next pride. You have told only one word that is eyed.
Yes, ma'am.
What two other words I have written?
Hide, guide, hide.
Very good. Then the last one is unwise. Just read out the rhyming words of the unwise.
Ma'am, surprise, prize, unwise.
Wise.
Wise.
Very good. So these are some other rhyming words besides what you have told. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then another question is for you, that is you have to frame some meaningful and suitable sentence by using the words. Okay. First of all you write down on your copy, then you will tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
So the words are, I am giving you joke, morsel, surprise, unwise. You can frame the meaningful sentence by using these words. Just think for 1 to 2 minutes, then you will tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the sentence which you have framed by taking the word joke.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
The joke made us laugh.
Very good. Then morsel.
A few morsels of the cake were left.
Very good. Surprise.
Ma'am, he was very surprised with my arrival.
Very good. Unwise.
That was an unwise decision.
Okay. Very good. All your answers are correct. Besides this sentence, there are also another sentence. Let me check whether your answers are correct or wrong. Joke.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, I have written another sentence for you. You just read.
She did not understand my joke.
Okay. Very good. Then morsel.
He tried to take the morsel of the food left behind.
Very good. Very good. You just underline the word. Okay.
Yes,
During the time of framing sentence, you just underline the word. Okay.
Okay.
Then surprise.
I was surprised with his arrival.
Okay. Very nice. Unwise.
It is unwise to share your password with anyone.
Okay. Very good. That means password should be very secret.
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay. Let's go to the next question. Then answer the following questions. Here are some comprehension type of questions. You have to answer all these questions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You just remember, then tell. The first question is, why does the raven forget that his voice is just a croak? I am repeating the question. Why does the raven forget that his voice is just a croak?
Ma'am, Raven forgets that his voice is just a croak because the raven bird has a foolish pride, so that he does not understand that his voice is just a croak.
Okay. Let me check whether you are right or wrong your answers. Okay. Just read out the answer.
Raven forgets that his voice is just a croak. It is due to his pride he falls into a net woven by the fox.
Okay.
Ma'am, net woven?
Net oven means there is a net which is very in a disorder condition.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
in a very
yes,
disorder
yes.
condition. So in that the net the fox is fall down. Okay. The next question: how does Reynard make the raven sing? How does Reynard make the raven sing? Can you answer it?
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell me.
Renard makes Raven use some new words, that is handsome bird, sir Raven, so that Raven sings.
Okay. Just summarizing your answer. Reynard makes the raven sing by flattering him and telling him that he is handsome and would be the king of the birds if he could sing. Okay.
Ma'am, can I write this and answer?
Yes, definitely. Until or unless you are not writing everything, you cannot remember. Okay. Can we go our next question? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why does Reynard say that pride is not wise? I am repeating the question. Why does Reynard say that pride is not wise? Just read out the answer.
Renner says so rightly that too much pride leads one to loss and suffering, as the raven foolishly opened his beak and lost his food.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then go to our last question. Give one reason why the teaching is quite a surprise. Give one reason why the teaching is quite a surprise.
Ma'am, can I answer it?
Yes.
Ma'am, due to the foolishness of the raven bird, he lost his food, so that too much belief on anyone is wrong.
Okay. Let me summarize. Yes, your answer is partially correct. I am just telling the right answer. The teaching is quite a surprise because the raven did not expect to be tricked by the fox compliments and lost his food. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in today's class, we have discussed so many stanzas along with the rhyming words, new words, our sentence making and comprehension question. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You enjoyed the class?
Yes, ma'am.
ଖୁସିରେ ଶିଖିବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଅଧିକାର। ନମସ୍କାର।